Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at VVS Finance, Crypto.com, DeFi wallet, and what we're doing now is we are going to harvest from the farm. Yeehaw! Alright, now let's go over to the farms. You can see here we have 100,000 VVS. So in order to harvest, we're going to click harvest and a little screen will pop up, or it should. And it's going to cost 1 crow. Alright, I do have some crow on my wallet, luckily. So I'm going to confirm. Now it's good to wait till you have a substantial amount. You see I have $12.95 in my wallet. And I harvested, and it costs whatever crow is going for these days, 63 cents, 64 cents. It can vary. But in order to get that back, what you need to do is harvest. And you can see here that I've just done that, and I've just started earning more. So, let's go over to the mine, and it's the same thing with the mine. If you guys are on the manual, you have to click collect, and I'm going to assume it's going to cost Crow to collect the fees, the thing there. But with the automatic compounding, it does it for you. You can see $15.30 since 12/2. So, pretty good deal. Alright, so if you guys have questions about that, and here at Auto Compounds, so no problems. Let's go back up to the dashboard. We can see our total profit, our total platform yield, $25.08. And we go over here to trade, and we can see we have 25 crow. Let's look at VVS. You can see our balance of VVS is 258,487. So we could go ahead and stake that in the mine, and it's probably a good idea to do, although I just want to keep it here for now, and we'll see what happens in a little bit. When I release the rest of my crow, I will be doing some more. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Still pretty good interest rate, 1,500%. Go check it out if you're interested in making some money here in the VVS Finance wallet and DeFi. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.